Hey guys, welcome to my pre-talk talk here from Chicago, Drake Hotel. And yeah, it's a bit chaotic here, lots of stuff going around, lots of very busy people being doing very important busy things. Busy being busy. Today's talk I'm going to be talking about the difference between what's fashionable versus fundamental. We tend to in business and in sometimes in personal life too, concentrate on the things that are more transient and more fickle and are fashionable at the time, whereas actually there are underlying concepts that are far greater that need to be addressed. So, let's say that you have a particular distaste for a president. Is it that you have a distaste for that particular president on its own, or are you actually questioning the constructs of governance in general, or capitalism in general? If you're in business, have a focus on something that's really funky at the time, like Internet of Things or blockchain or AI. Is it that you're looking at that one particular thing and with all your focus and potentially missing the fundamental underlying structures that need to be addressed? You see, the thing is that we can concentrate on fashionable pieces of technology, for instance, and miss the fundamental solutions that are required to solve messes in the world. We can perhaps start from the wrong place. We start with what's fashionable rather than starting with what's fundamental. So that's what I'm going to talk about today on stage, and I love this moment just before a talk. So we're in the sound check moment right now, and everyone is. This is the test of your personality, not just as a professional speaker, but as a sound engineer or a video guy or a lighting guy or the host who's on stage right now. This is going to be the MC guy. So whilst everyone behind me is losing their heads, kind of running around being confused at why a particular lead doesn't work and why a presenter display doesn't work and everything else like that, the real pros take a deep breath and take a moment. And just be grateful for being here. These are champagne problems, these are first world problems. The fact that an HDMI cable doesn't work, and when we're standing in a five-star, well, supposedly a five-star, hotel that is beautifully warm and sheltered, and there's great food, and there's water, and we have to be grateful for being here in general. We have to be grateful for the fundamental underlying parts. The fashionable parts, the transient parts, like whether a lead doesn't work, is something that isn't actually a real problem. It's a partial issue. Generally, there is fundamental brilliance in having the opportunity to share information with people and expand their thinking, and I'm just very grateful for that on a fundamental level. I shall see you guys soon in Orlando, in Disney World, in a few days' time. Until then, stay fundamental. See you guys. Bye.